Hey guys, Sake Life here. Today is cleaning day. I'm in one of our other Koji rooms. This room, once we take the rice out of the steamer into the cooling machine, we bring it directly up to this room. We then let it rest on this table. We cover it with a couple different sheets to keep the moisture and keep the heat in. These units on the back of the wall are basically like heaters. We can keep this room at a set temperature. As always, we have our thermometers to check, record, make sure everything's good. So we've produced enough Koji for the next few days by freezing it. So for the next 3 days, I'm here cleaning the walls, the ceilings, the floors, the tables, pretty much this entire room. All right, so I just thought I'd give you guys a quick look into our fun sake life. See, it's not always fun. Again, if you have any questions or comments, please put that down below. I'm gonna share this as usual on the various Facebook pages. Again, the 3 elements: like, share, subscribe. See you guys next time. Sake life, kanpai.